my god, so sorry for this hot mess I have here, but I thought that I would show you guys how easy and quick I style my hair after the keratin treatment, and I'm going to show you the few products that I use. I do have a playlist if you want to see the keratin process and then like some side effects that I had, so I'll link that playlist you can watch after this quick tutorial. I just came out of the shower and this is how my hair like dries. I wouldn't say stiff, no way like I'm detangling this just like this, like oh you don't use a good conditioner. I do, but like this is just how it dries. I use like a mask, a very like, I wouldn't say heavy, but it's very nourishing. So I have to go ahead and use a leave-in conditioner, and use this one. Is my favorite because I have very like oily hair, and this is just great. Not weigh my hair down, and I use it in my roots as well, and it smells like cupcakes, so it's definitely scented. And this is by Milkshake, and it's the leave-in conditioner, and this is with milk, proteins, honey, and fruit extracts. In the description I'll try to link everything and you can find it easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this all over. You could put as much as you want because this is not gonna weigh your hair down, and it's safe for keratin treated hair, which is the most important thing. So I just work that like this, make sure I have it all over. It's great to just leave it on its own. Obviously you would detangle. I don't have to detangle because you will just watch. Now I'm gonna use this blow dryer. I've had it for so many years, Super Mega Turbo. I'm just gonna go ahead and dry it. This is very important to have a brush like this. It just makes a huge difference. This one is from Conair. It really grabs each hair and it helps you straighten it even more. Not that your hair is not straight, but maybe you just need a little bit more after the keratin treatment. So I'm just gonna show you exactly how I do it. I didn't part my hair in any way whatsoever because it doesn't matter. Right now I'm just drying it, and this is helping me straighten it even more. Later, after it's completely dry, you can go ahead and part it, or if you want to part it first, you go ahead and do that. But as you saw, I don't have to detangle it because that spray is amazing. In this part here in the back, that's usually like where I still have a little bit of curl or wave, so I make sure I really grab that properly with the brush. Right now I just use the blow dryer, so all I do really quickly, since I part my hair to my left, you see it's so nice and straight, there's like no frizz, and all I do now is I go ahead and add an oil to my ends, and I could do it throughout the whole hair but not a lot like in the roots, and that's just gonna add some like shine. As you see, these are my ends. Only like when I'm going out that I really like want to look extra like super sleek. As you see, this is pretty straight, but if I want that extra super sleek, then I'll go right ahead with my iron, and I'll just go through like the ends really quickly. For the oil, I like to use this one from Rusk. The brand is Rusk, and the reason I like this one is because it's alcohol free. And if you saw my video when I was getting the process done, I asked the lady a lot of questions, and one of the things she said was how important it was for your products not to have alcohol as well, not just like sulfate free, which is the salt, but also alcohol. So I was like on a hunt for something, and I found this one, and this is pure argan oil, and it's the Rusk thermal serum. Let's put a little bit, like even this is a lot. So I just rubbed my hands, and I'm just putting it on my ends because like I said, my hair's greasy. I don't want to add like grease to my roots or anything. And you see, I'm just putting a little bit in the back, but nothing like around here. But if you see a little bit of frizz, or you just want to, if you don't have oily hair and you want the shine, this looks so good. You want to know all the products that I use, like from the shower, when I get out the shower, I have a video. So like I said, I'll put a playlist and you can go see everything I use and the process, the tutorial. Yeah, I used to use the iron every day. I don't have to use the iron anymore, which I love. This is my second time that I got the keratin already, and I don't regret it. Just the side effects that I got before, but we figured it out with the stylist. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.